work the weekend, that's a no from me. It's bikes, both beers and a swag by a tree. Diving in deep or I'm towing a ski. At the office till Monday, baby I'm free.
Alright, welcome back. Now this isn't what you probably expected a week before a race, but the weather was bad. I took Friday off and I went Harley riding. First stop done. New jacket. Oh, yeah. Look at these fucking rigs. Nice and clean. Dirt bike helmet. Oh. Hell yeah, brother! Yeah, so this is my father-in-law's bike. It's a Heritage 100 edition. Ask me less because I know nothing about it. I just know it has 2 cylinders and 2 wheels. That's all I know, and that's my brother's Dyna 2016. And all I know about it is it's tuned and it's way too loud, but it's good fun to ride. Yeah, we tried to get a cool drone shot, and as always, the Neo played up. Yeah, if you watch the footage on my phone, you'll see a red Mazda clean it up. There's the noise. It's just gone dead. Can you pick it up for me?
Yeah, I'm good.
They did. Well, they hit it. They got hit by the car. It was filming, so we'll see what happened.
Is it alright?
Looks alright.
Why did it drop out there? Or they actually ran into it?
They hit it. It was flying low to try and find you.
Yeah.
It lost you for a little bit.
Well, that's why I stopped.
Yeah, that's alright.
What was that?
It was the cover. Oh. Cover's gone now.
Far. Follow. 3, 2, 1.
Brother, nothing.
We all live for the weekend, just trying to get by, but losing track of time. And we never need a reason to leave it all behind. There's something about the weekend when the bikes call it Monday. Never work the weekend.
Got a bit excited here. There's a Supra there. I used to have that one. 1G GT twin turbo.
Yeah. I swear to God, I'll wake up every morning with a fake yawn, hoping maybe I can get the whole day off. I knew the safe option was to stay on that grind, but deep down I was dying, counting down the time. Clock hits Friday, garbage door flies up, tools out, bike on the stand, grease on my hands, chain clean, oil change, tires looking fresh. Weekends here, time to forget the rest. No more emails, no more boss goals, just red dust trails, ride up the throttles. We all live for these 2 days when the real life begins. Yeah, we escape.
Yeah,
We
up this
all
way.
live for the weekend.
See my black car? Yeah. What's that?
The bakery we stopped at.
Yeah.
It's wonderful. You know what's really interesting is that
Oh, they're dirty.
Yeah, okay.
Let's get some lunch. Defrosting.
Definitely.
Oh, look at this. What a spot. A little bit upset they don't have the roast on Fridays. That's what I get for coming on a weekday.
Meant to be at work.
Meant to be at work. Oh well. Cheers. Ooh, can't wait to see my spice bag. Oh, the waiters here are pretty fucking ugly. Oh, how good does that look? Fucking dumb fuck didn't bring a fork. I did.
I did.
Oh,
I'm going back up the stairs.
look at that.
Almost.
Oh, look at this bloody spice bag. My first spice bag. It's not in a bag, so it's spice plate. Oh yeah, that looks bloody good. Look at the view as well. Thanks for watching. Next week I will be at the Bonnie Doon Hard Enduro. Thanks for watching. Bye.